to see. And when he does, it's far too late.
And Hamilton's onto the ground, and Hamilton's had a massive crash, and he's crashed into his teammates. The two Mercedes come together.
Then he's entitled to a car's width of space.
The regulations in terms of driving standards.